Same shirt, different day.
Hey, do you come here often?
Yeah, actually, I'm surprised I haven't seen you around.
Yeah, me either. Hey, I don't mean to sound too forward, but is everything all right? You look a little down.
Yeah, I lost my job recently, and just having some trouble finding a new one, so.
Hey, I know that. I completely understand. Just try and keep your head up. Don't stop believing.
Yeah.
Don't stop!
Hey, did you hear that?
What?
Oh, never mind. I might be crazy. So listen, I've been in your position before, and it sucks. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I just really like the job and the people I worked with, you know? Just.
Yeah, I completely understand. Just try and shake it off.
Yeah.
Shake it off! Shake it off!
Seriously, what is that?
I literally have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, no, it might just be the heat from the dryers. It's so hot in here.
Oh! It's getting hot in here! So take off all your clothes!
I am getting so hot, I'm gonna take my clothes off.
Oh my God, you seriously don't hear that?
You're starting to freak me out.
Oh, I'm sorry. Look, what do you think about the whole situation?
Honestly, I just feel really shitty about myself. Like, I feel like I've changed so much lately. I don't really like who I've become, you know? Like, when I wake up in the morning and I brush my teeth, the person I want to be is no longer that man in the mirror.
Really, nothing?
What are you talking
Hold
about?
on, I've got something for you. Why don't you just let it be?
No.
Or maybe we can come together. Maybe you'll meet a girl named Lucy who's a pilot thief, and then she'll be Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds.
That doesn't make sense!
Oh, come on, are you serious? Those were all clearly Beatles songs. You're not going to do any of them? I literally had to force that last one in there. You're not going to do any of the Beatles songs?
No.
Listen, you might have more issues than I do. Why don't we get a drink or something, huh? What do you like to drink?
Oh God, dare I say it? Fireball?
Okay.
I think it's over.